In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your username on Twitch mobile. So what you need to do is open up a browser on your phone. In this case, I have Google Chrome open, and then you want to search for twitch.tv. So I have it in my history, so I'm going to search for twitch.tv. And now we're on the mobile version of Twitch, but we want to go to the desktop version of the site. So we tap on the three vertical dots at the top right, and then we have a look at the bottom. It says desktop site. You tap on that, and now we can zoom in a bit and go to the top right and tap on our profile icon. Then we want to tap on settings. Then we can scroll to the left and then go down, and then it says username. We want to scroll all the way to the right, and then you get a pencil icon. You tap on the pencil icon, and then it's going to take you to this page. You can zoom in, and it says change your username, and you enter your new username and you tap update. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.